You say, hi, Aunt Mercy.
Hi, Mercy.
Tell her you love her.
Love her.
You have to say, I love you, Aunt Mercy.
I love her, Aunt Mercy.
How much do you love her?
This much.
How? Show me with your hands.
This Mommy's phone.
No, don't worry about Mommy's phone. How much do you love her? Do you love her this much? This much? What do you see on the computer? Who is that? Who is that?
Like it,
Huh?
Killa.
That's Caleb. Hey, what's on your shirt?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur, yeah. Hey, Caleb, where does Aunt Mercy live?
Groceries.
We're gonna go get groceries. We've been practicing this. Where does Aunt Mercy live? Say it loud. Brooklyn. Say Brooklyn. Say Brooklyn.
Brooklyn.
Yeah. Okay, you want to show her Mommy's book that she made? Okay. You want to show her? Say, look at Mercy.
Okay, Mercy.
Yeah. See, it's shiny.
Shiny.
Do you think it's pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you say so pretty?
Look.
Okay. Let's open it up and show her what's inside. Okay. First, we have this title page. Can you say title page?
Perfect.
Then, have the table of contents. And then, there it goes, like a real legit book. Jeremy said that he thinks we should have about the author thing in the back, but that's the only thing he recommended for the next, I don't know, if we format it again or whatever. But anyway, we love it. Can you say we love it?
We love it.
Can you give it a kiss? Kiss the book. Yay! That is Mommy's phone.
That's Mommy's phone.
Can you count to 10?
Yeah.
Do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Then what?
6.
Then what?
7.
Then what?
7.
What's after 7? What's after 7? 8?
8.
9?
What happened?
I had to take my phone apart because I dropped it in my tea. It's distracting you, isn't it?
It's broken.
Yeah, it's broken, unfortunately. Alright, tell Aunt Mercy you love her.
Love her.
No, say, I love you, Aunt Mercy.
I love her, Aunt Mercy.
Can you blow her a kiss? No, not me. Blow Aunt Mercy a kiss. Go. Mwah.
Mama.
Tell her, say, I'll see you later.
I'll see you later.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.